number.
We are on deck 3, bedroom 800. Hello. We will show you around, guys. Hello, guys. That's us again. Cruise ship. We're here for 7 days, for the next 7 days, and we will be taking you on our journey. It's Spain and Italy, starting now. It was a long journey. We started at 3. We're finally here. Just taking you on our room tour. Hello, Babumvuni.
Hello, hello, everybody.
We are here, finally here. And
At last.
so this is how it looks. Love this.
Exactly.
Love this mirror. Another big mirror here. And we have got our TV. Obviously, I am starving.
Starving. Our suitcases are not here yet.
Ooh, I'm tired.
We're going to change and put slippers on.
I know.
This is us.
This is us. Let's check the bedroom out. That's their storage. And we have got our safe here where we will put our passports and everything. We have got a bathroom here, I think. How do you open this? No? Ah, hey, what rubbish is this? That's the size of the bed. We are inside the ship.
Yay.
Royal Caribbean cruise.
Yeah.
And
third floor.
I don't want to lie to you. I am never gonna do it again.
It's too much.
It's too much now. I can't.
Woke up
And easy.
got a
Maybe
flight from Belfast at
3:30 we were in Belfast City,
Airport.
George Best Hospital. Oh Jesus, airport, hospital, and then
flew from there at 25 to 6.
7.
25 to 6.
No, 7, Mom.
25 to 6.
6. Okay.
25 to 6.
And then we arrived in Spain.
Spain, Barcelona.
Barcelona.
At,
9 o'clock.
9:15.
9:15.
Yeah.
And then we had to go through the immigration because UK is no longer the part of EU. The queue was so long.
Very long. Long 5 queues.
And then five rows. And then we had to travel again on a coach
Coach, yeah.
to the port where we are now. And then we joined another longest queue over.
Yeah, more than 400 people.
Yeah, it's 1,000.
And
we
the sun
had-
is
and-
blistering.
Passports again, boarding passes for the ship and everything. But yeah, I would
Yeah, we
say
are now at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. It's only now the rooms are opening. And guess what? We just met a lovely lady from South Africa,
From Johannesburg.
from Josie. We're like, oh, Bling, Kikai. I'm like, no, I am from KZN. I don't bua, Kuluma. She was so excited. Lovely
We're still
girl.
going to meet her.
Yeah,
She's
lovely
like,
girl. We'll meet her and take photos. Right, that's us.
Go
The
and have
Mbunis.
something to eat.
We're gonna go out and get something to eat because we are starving.
Bye.
Hello, guys.
Bye, guys.
Hello, guys. Say it, Baba.
Bye, guys.
Just
Bye,
hello.
bye,
Hello,
bye.
guys. Just say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Okay, see you later, guys. See you later.